Hey. Yes. Say hello. Say hi. Happy Easter, guys.
Happy Easter.
Yeah, for the longest while, Jay said want me to make kite film, you know? Because from the place get really windy from like March and time, let me tell him say a kite season. He must say, I'm going to make kite film. So guys, we're gonna drive go out a Bagwalk side, guys. Go look see if we can get some bamboo. You see, because I want to actually make like kite for Jaden, you see me? I want to make kite for Jaden, guys. Like, give him through the experience there, you see it?
That carries a pro walker now. Hey, be afraid. Hey.
You're the talking. You go for mommy bun. Mommy raisin bread.
Not raisin bread, it's corn.
No, cornbread, sorry. Cornbread, yeah. Alright, put on your shoes and let's go, Kyrie. Yes, put on your shoes. Put on your shoes, Kyrie.
Come, Kai. Come, Kai. You know what this means? Going outside time. Guys, remember that shoes here? And that slippers here? From a long time, I think a long time haul this, you know. Finally can fit. And him have growing room night. Alright, let's go. Alright, big guy. He's always first, you know, I'm always at work. He's a workaholic. He works like non-stop.
You coming to me?
5T, you know. 5T. 5T, okay?
Swim. I'm gonna give you a bam bam. Hey.
You love rum? You love rum?
Okay. Are you ready to go now, guys?
Yes.
Movements.
Hey guys, so we have a shaky warriors with us.
Real shaky warrior, them man.
Them two. You're making this thing too.
Oh god.
So, it's Easter, so they want to go fly kite. And Adrian is going to, we're going to get bamboo.
Yeah.
Well, we got some, we don't know where to get bamboo, but then I was thinking that there's always bamboo at Flatbridge. A Flatbridge name? Why is so weird to me?
Them places.
So Flatbridge section right there's always have bamboo. So we're going there in search of bamboo. Well, I'm accompanying the two men.
So what me gonna
to get bamboo.
What me gonna do, guys? I just see if me see any random person will live out there and just beg them. They must know where we can go get. They can pick peas or whatever. That's the plan. That's the plan.
Road. Isn't it like on the side of the road like that? So
yeah,
we can just...
But I don't want the one kind of more drier. I don't want the green one.
Oh.
You see, I want the one that drier.
So the green one no good?
The green one, it does, tough enough. Just gonna collect some money for me, guys. Hey. Look. See how they may stalk her. Stalking her. Haha. There she is. See her there? So guys, yeah, so I don't know if you mention, I can't mention, so we're gonna bake bun, guys. I'll bake some bun. You see me? We'll go back in, deal with Kite, bake bun. So one important ingredient. Why we look for draw the money are because we need some zest, like lemon zest or from the orange skin. You see me? So on our way, there are some vendors out there who sell orange, so we're gonna buy a couple of orange so we can get the zest for put in the bun recipe. That's an important ingredient. So yeah.
So guys, we're at our first stop, and
we'll get the oranges.
Yeah, we're at the orange stop right here. We're always coming for my orange, you know.
They are bag walks, Jaden around come with the money here. Yeah. That's which one?
The one for $6.
$600 one.
Yeah.
Alright, this is good enough.
Alright, chain.
Alright.
This is here.
Okay. No. Jaden? Okay. Alright, so. Alright, thanks here.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
Take care.
Bye.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How much for your cane?
Jay, how much money have leave? Alright, come back in with the 150.
The one that's sweet? Thank you.
Alright. So we just spent $1,000?
Yes, this is like $1,000 right here.
Yeah.
This is $1,000, alright?
Yeah, man.
See one bamboo here, babes.
Line up on the ground, sir?
Yeah, Cassandra to say today I found a bamboo. No, babe. This not can work. Just cut piece side, take you up.
Oh, this is not good.
It's not good?
Man. It's dry up.
It dry up?
Down here, so.
Babe, no like how you go close to just take it up now. Adrian, just take it up. Just pull it out. No bother. Me no like how you get close to the edge.
I'm fine.
Yeah, give me a heart attack. Just take you up and pull it out and do something. Alright. One. Oh, you got peace? Yeah. Perfecto. Alright. We got peace.
Dry, you know?
Is it good? It's good?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, man. This is one nice one.
So,
one nice piece.
we get to bamboo. All the way down this side to get bamboo.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we have a story time to tell now. So, you know we have a drone, right? When we first got our drone, we were super excited and we wanted to capture footage. So Adrian there yard, I use him drone and him said, yeah, I'm ready for road. So the first place that we actually came to get scenic shots was actually the Bagua Gorge because it's beautiful, right? So Jaden was reminding us of this. We came 2 days. So the first day we came, right Jaden?
Yes.
The first day we came and everything was good and stuff, and Adrian did and I take him footage and Jaden excited and walk like drone. Adrian I feel hold him off like, yo, I'm not anything this, alright? When we get back home you can fly. Right? Because it is kind of dangerous, you know, you could lose your drone. So you have to be careful how you're flying your drone. Basically, it can drop and lost, dropping out the water.
You know, it's a dropping, it's not gonna just drop. Something that have to get leak out of the ear.
Yes.
It have to actually hit something, like branches.
Yeah.
If you fly in a wooded area, the branches, it can get caught in the branches and you can lose your drone. So,
yeah.
the first day we did alright. Me did ultra cautious and me land back the drone good. You can probably check by that video that how they do the time. When they land back the drone and everything was good.
Yep.
But me did I say, boy, the footage, me never 100% happy with it, so me want a little more. So the whole I will come back out here again. Me, Jay, and Cass come back out here and thing and fly the drone. I get the footage and then right as me almost ready to land the drone now, the drone just hit a branch and literally drop on the other side of the river.
So myself and Jaden, we are by the side of the car and we are waiting on him to come because him get the footage. We saw the footage. All him do are carrying the drone to come land it. But then we are waiting. We literally are waiting out of patience. Because we said, no man, that man him carrying the drone already. Where my wait pan? Where my do him get him footage already? When we walk over to Adrian over there in a full panic mode. Drone gone.
The drone crashed on the other side of the river. Guys, it's like how them tree here grow over in the road. So for example, this is the river. Me I fly the drone in the river now I realize that the tree branch over. You understand? So me I fly the drone and it lick one of the branch them and drop straight. Luckily up on the river bank it drop and not exactly in the water.
So guys, Adrian in full on panic mode over there. Then all three of us started panicking. Right? Like, oh crap, because we just lost our drone.
Expensive drone and like at the second time we are carried out to get footage.
We just get, and like I said, we have it for a while and we get to money's worth. We literally just got it in our hands. And we look over, we say, boy, it's supposed to, judging from the footage, because we have footage of what it saw last on the phone. Because
luckily the drone comes with some more features like when it get lost, it tell you exactly where, like GPS coordinates on the phone, where exactly the location and everything. So
that was one good thing working on our side. And two, we had footage, so we could literally see what the camera saw just before it fell or turned off. So we know said lick something and fall out of the sky. And we also saw it on the GPS, but guess what? You see we see on the GPS, I saw we see water.
Because by right, guys, it dropped in a wetland. A wetland is dropping, you know. But the map show you like a water, but really like a muddy. It drop in a mud. A muddy dropping. So
it's like
up on a river bank.
Exactly, but it's not like mud. It's like dry mud. So it's not like wet, right? But one part of that video we never even know someone could have go. When we see, like we are saying, yo, we have to go find a drone. So we did there walk through bush. But here's the good thing about it. People, you have good people out there. So while we were going, all three of us was going up into this bushy area. We saw this man coming. I totally forgot my name again, Ziggy or something like that. While we're there now walking, we saw this man and he lived around there. And he actually helped us. So he said, yeah man, you can go and walk man and he must show we like and I tell we how to contour the riverbank.
So we follow the map and kind of lead. But remember now guys, at this time at the late in the evening it get dark.
That was the problem.
So we couldn't find it in the dark and we in a panic. You know when you have panic and I look for something you're not gonna find it.
And to tell the truth people, to tell the truth about my husband, him can't look for now. I have a problem. Let me here for search. So let me here to look. I have a problem. So, but anyways.
Yeah man, so we go and look right in the area where the GPS are telling me and me not see it. So me tell the man number and say boy, me gonna come back a morning come check you. Him say I'm gonna come out in the morning when it get bright and look for it for him. I say alright.
Because truth and in fact you know, Adrian followed the GPS and he was exactly on the spot.
Yeah, but it did dark. To be honest, the time was really dark. So the man come back, we show him the area where the GPS tell we say it there, and the man come back. The man don't need no GPS. The man come back at the spot and find it.
In the morning.
So when I call him the following, you know, me give up on the drone when we reach home, you know, guys.
Yeah, like.
To be honest, me give up on the drone.
It was kind of sad because we had said, John, we just lost a good chunk of money. That's what we're saying. We literally sacrifice and say, alright, time for the drone now.
Yeah, goodbye now.
And we're just disappointed going home.
Yeah.
But I was still hopeful I was saying, you know, the man say I'm gonna look and tomorrow morning, like even I wasn't even depending on the man, but me after tomorrow morning, me I get up and me I go look for my drone. You understand?
So when we get up now in the morning, in fact I can't say for call him, because I call my lasses, you know, I say it gone, you know. I can't say for call him, I say, oh yeah, I call him up. I call him up, guys, the man say him find it. Me say, what you say? Because in my experiences in a life, when me lost something, you know, when something damaged, I hit that, you know. Me nah no luck with them something here. So me call it, say it gone. Me have it say gone, it gone. You see me? So me go back feet. When I go back, guys, him have it in a one carton box, you know, like a puppy. I saw the man put the drone in a one carton box. And I said, wow, look at that thing in a one carton box. But one of the wing was broken.
One of the ring was broken and the
lens, the gimbal on it on the front of the drone, it was damaged. But it was a little like a rubber damper thing.
Yeah. Like the rubbers that kept it in place. Some of those got broken and Adrian fixed them.
Yeah, so me just order back because these parts cannot be ordered. So me literally go online and me order back
the rubber suspenders.
Yes.
So you went and you ordered the rubber suspenders. We changed the wing because we had extra wings. And boy, man, tell you, it's a story of recovery, but it's also a story to be faithful, to still have faith in mankind. Because at that point, you know, we thought that even if he found it, you would have probably tried to sell it or try to get money and fight. And we did give him money, because we really appreciated the fact that he helped us out when he didn't have to, and the fact that even when he found it, he was honest. Because some people, they're just thief without reason, right? But yeah, after our story, man, tell us, say we were so disheartened by it. But good drone, like literally the second day of flying, and the drone gone. We were just like, oh my god, I cannot believe we just threw away so much money.
Yeah, but guys, it's like we learn from that situation. I became a better drone pilot from that situation. You get me?
So because that was the first mishap from our pilot.
The camera point forward, but should be there behind it and beside it. So don't miss the camera pointing at me or whatever, and everything look clear, but round it different things. So yeah, but I really, that was traumatic, literally, because we literally just spend them the whole heap of money there.
And guys,
hey, we are eat cane around there.
I just say we are going to show them.
Carry like cane, he must have cane, man. He will eat cane, but him not eat chicken. Like, can I buy this? Eat cane and not eat chicken.
But then why you put the something in the hole?
What I'm on the oldest.
Yeah, guys, so our pilot, the family pilot, had a mishap, you know, and we were just disheartened, but thank God we got it back. And he has gotten so much better at flying the drone, I must tell y'all. Alright, y'all have seen the footage. But I make no say, we almost never see no drone footage at all.
Because guys, we buy the drone if we do them house tour and all them things, and we never do one, we never ever go for one of them they sitting there. And the drone gone.
You were there the whole night, you were there, I said, John, no star, look how we just dash, look how much money we just dash way. No sir, and then I don't know, like the footage was so nice. I was like, Jano, we get all this nice footage, but we lost the drone. And then guess what? Adrian was so disheartened, he never even wanted to use the footage. He was like, we're not even gonna use them footage there. Guys, the cane nice.
We never tasted it yet. I'm gonna try it. It's nice, it's true.
It's sweet. I carry was eating cane. There you go, guys. The big piece he wants. Now you got a little piece of my talk. I want a big one. Talking about taking it. The big one you want, okay? Sorry, camera with my son. Yeah, nice guy.
Hot girl I eat cane, guys.
This is it, guys. This is it. This is it.
Yeah. Guys, guess I'll be a bun. You see me?
He tricked me. He wanted to make bun. I know him gonna make kite. And this muffin make bun. But no worries, now Urban will pop the bun.
Yeah.
And then I'll be outside making kite, okay?
Alright.
I want to fly kite. So if you not make kite, I want to make it too.
Yeah, so see ingredients in here, guys.
This is from December, you know?
Yeah.
From December. So it is well cured and well soaked.
Yep.
Right, Mom? So we're making Val's Kitchen Jamaican style Easter bun. And we have none other but Val here.
Yeah.
Guest cameo appearance by Val's Kitchen.
So y'all find the recipe, how should put it?
So I'm gonna be following Val's instruction. We're gonna be making Easter bun.
Come, don't go down. Come to Papa. Get up, Jay. Go to him. Go to him. Come, Kyrie. Yes.
No,
Come
no
to
milk.
me. Come to me. Come to me. I'm afraid for walk. Yes, Kyrie. Walk up. Come on. Go.
Come.
Go.
I'm kind of afraid.
Yes.
Afraid.
Yes. Yeah, man. Oh.
Kai, look, baby.
Alrighty, so guys, I shave up the bamboo. So I have the first part like this. Right, so we just set it up. But I have my fishing line. I literally go for the fish for my fishing rod, right, guys, and get this so I can start. Alright. So I'll start wrap this thing. So you have to wrap it. So this is like the frame of the kite. You see me? Bam, bam. We used to all have like some style how we wrap it up. Oh crap, I'm getting a tangle now. Yeah, I'm gonna pop off this. Yeah. Bam, bam. You catch it, Jaden? You see it work, Jaden?
Yeah.
Good. Good. So you wrap it up like this. Make sure it's well reinforced, you know? Make sure it's well reinforced.
Daddy, how many times have you made that kite before?
You know, I can't really remember. I can't count, but I've made a few when I was younger. I make a couple kites when I was younger. You get me? So like during the summertime, you know, when school out, me and my friends in the community, we used to link up and make kites, you know? Yeah, we used to link up and make kites when I was younger. Me and my friends from the community. That's what we used to do, you see it? Yeah.
So I'm making my orange vest. So I am not going all the way down to the white. I'm just trying to take off the top. It's really hard. So I added my malta. Gonna add all my other liquids. And I have all my liquids here prepared. So I'm Alright, I have my tablespoon. So I have my tablespoon now. So I have all my liquids in there and my sugar. So I'm putting 2 tablespoons of butter. this is what it looks like. Our sugar is melting already. And our liquid is on low. So it's on a small burner and it's on low. They don't want this boiling, they just want it to be warm. So that your sugar and your jelly and everything and your butter can melt together and become warm.
Alright.
Like us, babe?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so look. See that? We have our fat on top and everything. So butter melted, the jam melted. Alright. Yes. Nothing's going outside. So let's pour it on outside, alright? So we have eggs. We're gonna be beating our 3 eggs together with our orange zest that we made before. Orange zest, and we're gonna beat it together. Yeah, beat it together, beat. Listen, when you watch the nursery rhymes, you can sing anything. You can make up a song about anything when you watch the nursery rhymes here. So we are beat with egg and our orange together. Now we are combining our Alright guys, so I have all the dried ingredients here. That is the salt, the flour, the baking powder, the spice, the cinnamon, all them things there. They are gone. Yeah, all them in this. We have our eggs right here. Has been beaten with our orange zest. And our fruits. Right? So let's go. As you said, so no, it's a Jamaican cooking instructions, alright? Use a black spoon like this. Right, so see here, guys, these are the fruits and the dry mixture, the flour and all those other stuff. I'm gonna mix the egg in the warm mixture right there, so we'll go to the mixture. Whisk it in, whisk it in. Whisk it in, whisk it in. Look at this. So I'm gonna continue adding my liquid until it becomes nice and thick. Oh, it's so ready to. Adding some of our dried fruits, making it all pretty. Okay guys, so ta-da! Ta-da! Alright, in the oven you know. In the oven. Back it up. Yes guys, look at my man outside making kites. How is he going?
Alright. Yeah. We literally there and I try to figure out what to do the next step them. Because me not fully remember but me I get there.
These kids are crazy, babe.
So how far you to the cake now?
It's in the oven. It's not a cake, it's a bun. Okay? It's a bun. It's a bun. Okay? It's in the oven. I'll get my hair to stick. It's in the oven. Alright? The breeze feels good on here. People now. Alright? Breeze good.
Righty guys.
Dion.
So I basically got my frame together. Alright, one thing when I discover, you see this top piece here? This top, hold it tight there for me. Hold it for me there, babe. This top piece, I should have tied down last. Yeah, so after now, me and Ronaldo, my neighbor, we come and, you know, refresh my memory and things. So that top piece I go on last. So me pull it and rewire it and then I put on back this last. So we're on way, guys.
So I eat this now?
They put
like any edges on it?
Yeah, but yeah. So me I go wire it, me I go white up. Me I go cut off the excess bamboo them around it, and then me start wire string it. Yeah.
Not you know.
Pull it. Oh, see them there? Gary.
So you may never walk outside. So he's walking inside. And look on him, all awkward.
Walk outside, yeah.
All awkward, don't want to walk outside.
Laugh, yeah, laugh.
Yes.
Push off.
Come on. Yes, man, walk up.
Hold him hand there now. Walk with him. Hold him hand. Hold carry hand.
You see him posture everything, tell us him no, so
yes,
comfortable.
He's apprehensive.
Comfortable with him, yeah.
Walk, carry. Walk.
Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is
Walk.
we're gonna pause the kite making for this evening, right? And turn our attention to the bun, you see me? You know? So we're gonna finish up the kite making tomorrow. We'll get the glue, because I don't have the glue. So I get the glue and finish up. Yeah man, so stay tuned guys, stay tuned. Guys, at Easter now we know, so we don't know the thing though, you see me?
Yo.
Some nice scovish fried fish and you know?
This is Adrian's favorite time of the year, you know?
Yeah.
Fish. Adrian loves fish.
Know the thing though?
Yup.
Yeah man, fish is the thing, is it? Carrie want to draw down the ring light. Come here you baby. Come here you baby.
I love me some festival, guys.
Festival in proper man.
Festivals are my favorite. Well, festival and bami for me.
Yeah.
That's me. Festival.
It's the bami for me. Bami for me.
Yeah, I like both of them.
Mash up this here now.
Yeah.
Yes, it. Yes, sight. Yeah, guys. And by the way, the bun done. You see me? The bun has finished bake. It a cool right now, so
yeah.
we're not gonna trouble it till tomorrow. So tomorrow we deal with the bun and we deal with the kite. Is it?
Kite.
Yeah man. So we're gonna mash up this right now. Right now, you know? Pepper. Right man. Proper. Yeah. Alright guys, so we don't know what Jamaican, you know. Our life of your hard is it. So a bus of cheese, you know? Yeah, if a foreigner knows that it's probably not like a convenient thing to pop it off easy, but we have to do it that way here. Yeah. Hey, homie, them thing hard work, you know.
Yes.
You see it.
Wow.
When we get it off, bust it. So I know if we shake it out.
See a bun and cheese time now.
Yeah. Shake it out. May I drink my orange peel. You know? See there? But the orange them sweet, you know, guys. Orange them sweet. Right, Kyrie?
Let me get this. So, Kyrie, what is this? What's up? What's
Kyrie,
up?
she's got the whole of the ties them.
Look.
Come. Yeah, it's out. It's coming up on the top.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Alright, see the bun here, guys?
All the Easter, right?
Bun them there.
Yo, so these are
That's
our
it.
buns.
Easter son.
Our
Yeah.
buns. 2 buns.
Yep.
So, Let's get them out. Let's get them out. Let's get them out. Let's see what we're working with. See what we're
Why
working
turn it
with.
all the way over, so?
Right.
Yeah.
It's moist. I can tell that.
Yep.
So it's soft. Soft. My hand clean, people.
Yeah.
Soft. So Jaden wants to cut it. Alright, cut it, Jaden. Cut it. Cut it, Jaden. Yeah. Yeah. We have cut them so big for. Say. Alright, Jaden. Alright, no, what about I cut them more?
Yeah, cut them too chunky, man. Big elevator chunk there. Guys, the cat has smashed the bun, guys. Just smash it. Yeah. What? Val's kitchen recipe.
Yeah.
Val's kitchen recipe.
Then taste the fruits, I can taste that it was soaked.
Sure.
Yeah, alright, so.
Show up my 2 slices them. Yeah, man.
Here we go. I'm gonna put your cheese in between.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Taste it.
And there you go with your cheese, sir.
Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yep. Yeah.
Ready for the bite?
Bun and cheese. Perfect. Perfecto. How was you, Jane?
Great.
Alright guys, so we're back for the kite making, you see me? See it here? Hold it Jay. Yeah, so we make the frame, it fully frame out and everything, so now we have...
And I helped Daddy. I helped Daddy to bend it and make the curve right here.
Yes, definitely. Yeah guys, you know these days we don't really have that heap of plastic, so them pretty color plastic what we used to have, like the blue and the green and the red and all them color that we used to have, we don't have them again. So basically that's black and white plastic I have, black and transparent. So I'm gonna just try and make a nice little pattern that I have, right Jay? Alright, so yeah guys, so we'll finish up the kite project here.
Hey!
Hey.
Hey!
Me.
Hey!
Me.
Hey! Good boy, walk! Guys, Kite is afraid to walk outside, so he's walking. No. Oh God, he discovered dirt. Come, hey, come. Boy, discover dirt. He discover dirt.
Alright, see it here?
Okay.
Good, we're fine. See it here?
You know some boy.
Alright.
I eat that.
Yeah, this is the orientation. Alright, I'm gonna just glue and then make it. No, Kai, my tear, jeez. May I make him tear it?
Okay, yeah, has been working on this for a good little while, alright? Don't mess with it.
It's going to go to school in Sanashin. If carry one baby just come and mash it up.
Carry the bag come, Jaden.
So you're leaving it there to get tacky?
What?
The glue?
Tacky you call it?
Yeah.
I say dry, make it dry little.
Okay.
Yeah. Make it get tacky as you call it. Kyrie! Hello! You're out the road, boy. You know what the tail of the kite?
Yes.
What is it?
It's like there's something for make nice.
No, the tail is what linger behind down the bottom.
Yes.
It stabilizes the kite. The thing that makes nice is a zinger, that different. So I make the balance for the kite now. So we just draw off your whole shirt at Jaden. Yeah, man.
Yeah, your kite, man.
Yeah, cause back in the days, you know, man, it's at the tail. Oh, Jay carry more shirt, more old shirt for cut up and make tail. That one here better for you.
Yeah,
this
older,
older. This
yeah.
older. Yeah, man, we used to cut out. We used to put all Eh?
And carry this.
Yeah. Yeah. We used to have put a razor in the tail, you know, guys. I have kite war up in the sky, you know. Yeah, man, away I say, man.
Kite wash, yeah, so we do with the razor.
Yeah, so just carry your kite across the next man kite. So literally like on the day, just bring out all 2 kites when you know so love. When you know would are willing to lose. Yeah, man. So we used to run it off. Anyway, come and make more tea. Come Jay, come Jay.
Guys, Kara, enjoy the kite.
More tea, this one, you know.
Whoa.
Oh, if they let it go, No. It want more tail. It'll go on, hey, look at it. Whoa. Dry, Jay. When you pull it, make it go up in the ear. You can zoom in with that something, babe. Zoom in with this.
You have more string?
Yeah.
You have more string?
Yeah, man. You mean you can't let it go far? You know, I'm more tail it want though.
Balance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come from the angle. Come from behind me, babe. Come from behind me. Show me. Yeah. No, wait until you can't. Come back. Just let it. You see like that now, you just beat the room and make it drop.
Go, fire still.
Yeah. Yeah, don't pull it in.
Cross my name off the list. This is without rhyme or reason. I'm not an optimist. I just never dress for the season. There's no reason. It's time to pay off all my attempts to make a bad move. Procrastination, deep down I need to take a wrong turn. I don't know how long's forever. We could never stick together that long. Let it all just blow to pieces. Shine your light, I know you need me to turn your life around completely. Give me one more paradox for grace. Be still and run the race. Be still and run the race.
So that's it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog
See me here?
because we certainly had
So tell
a lot of adventures in
me
this vlog.
how it feel.
Good.
Oh.
Was it exciting?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, man. So guys, you know, it's good to do some like outdoor things sometime, you see me? With your kids, especially with your kids, you know, kind of teach them, keep them grounded,
Yeah.
and you know, make them appreciate the smaller, finer things in life. You know, cause I mean, it's not always about like the tablet being inside playing on the PlayStation and all of that. You know, it's
Yeah.
good. These kind of activities, it makes them more rounded children. You know, so yeah.
Guys, remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Road to 50K by May, alright? Give us a thumbs up on this video. Oh, and hit the post notification bell. Settings should be on all. Bye guys. Happy
Yeah, guys.
Easter.
Yeah, man, we out. Yeah.